Falls continue to be one of the top causes of injury in the manufacturing sector. A fall, even from a relatively low height, can result in serious injury or even death. In manufacturing, falls are generally from working platforms that aren't secured, working platforms that aren't used properly, of course ladders, but also off vessels and all those areas where you have to work at height. Falls in the manufacturing sector would result in broken arms, broken legs, wrists, ankles, spinal neck injuries, resulting in permanent disability. I went to an incident where a particular contractor was putting in a repair for a large gear, so a mining gear. They had to remove a handrail to get the plant into this well, and they didn't replace the handrail. The worker assumed it was on there still, leant to where he thought it was and fell 4 metres into the well. He hit his head on the pavement, which unfortunately in manufacturing is all pavement, all concrete pavement, and broken arm, leg. Thankfully he fully recovered, but took a long period of time. So the impact on the business is always quite significant. A poor safety record, as I spoke to one director in this particular matter, affected his future programs of work and when he tendered for work. If I was going to give some advice to the industry around safeguarding from falls, it would be to plan your work. Make sure you have all the people necessary to safely do the task. Make sure you consult with the people doing the task, because no doubt they'll have some input there. If you consult with your workers, they take a level of ownership. So if you do that, then the people will, by their own nature, want to improve themselves and the business. When you risk assess, you want to take into consideration all the work activities for that task and then assess them against a risk matrix or a method that, that highlights the high areas of risk. If you do that, you go a long way to completing your task without risk of injury and probably make some money out of it.